So it's file35.js for each. So like when you talk about for each, it is not a loop in JavaScript. It is array prototype. Suppose I'm taking a const my states. Okay, so suppose we have created this and my states dot for each. Suppose s, like this we have done. That is how you can work with the arrow function. So console.log s. So actually this works like a loop only, but it is mostly used in the array functionalities when you are working with the for each. And then we are also having the concept of for in and for off. So let's do it. So here I'm taking file36.js for in. So simply the for in statement iterates over all in like enumeratable string properties of an like you can say object, including inherited enumerable properties. Okay. And for off statement executes a loop that operates on a sequence of values. So let's see the for in and for off. So here I'm taking const symbols. Let's take symbols. Okay, object, I told you it will be working for the object. So here I'm writing, let's say YouTube, then Instagram, FB. Okay, so now for const n in symbols, simply log it. It will be working like this. It is for in. You must have seen it before also. In Python also we have like we are having it. So the people who know Python, which who have done Python, they must be familiar to for in. Okay. And in case I want to get the symbol that way, the names. So what could be done? So simply we will be taking this would be same, but here we will be taking symbols of n. So here you can see, firstly, this was getting printed from this one, and then this is getting printed with the help of this one. So one more thing I would like to tell for the same one, same program, even I can tell it here only. Let's comment this out to reduce the space consumption. So here I'm just taking this, and this time I will be writing it another way, simply with the help of this backticks. And here I'm writing key in n, key in n, and value is, okay, sorry, key is n and value is symbols. So this way also is always accepted. We have discussed about it previously. And this time you can say, see that what is actually happening. It's simply giving us symbol, 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 object, object, object. But you have to provide this n also. So it will be able to get the values with the loop we are taking. Actually, we are taking the loop of n. We are taking the iterative variable n here. Okay, so this is for in. And now for off is remaining. Let's see that also. New file I'm creating. File37.js. So here for off I will tell. And with this we will be actually able to complete this one, which is remaining. Let's take some example. Const names This will be also working here, like I'm taking here, suppose YouTube. So this is here, we are still having it. Okay, let's make it names and simply log in. So we will be getting the output accordingly. This is file number 37. And what you can see that we are getting the 0 to 4. Okay, we are not getting this y off. Okay, here we are.